Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing how I make a smoothie I call the PureFlow Kidney Cleanse, a delicious kid-friendly recipe that supports kidney health and helps get those powerful berries into your diet. There's truly nothing better than eating healthy because you are what you eat. And for this recipe, we're using all organic ingredients. Here's what you'll need: 2 packs each of strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries, 2 mangoes, 2 cucumbers, a splash of orange juice to help it blend. Or you can swap that for watermelon juice if you prefer. I start by washing everything thoroughly using organic distilled vinegar, especially important for berries and cucumbers. Next, add everything to your blender. Tip: place the softer fruits at the bottom for easier blending. Blend until smooth. Once done, pour into a large container, then transfer into smaller bottles for easy storage. Enjoy a bottle each morning for a refreshing natural boost to your kidney health. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.